Hi members, Miss Heidi here and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a recipe for rainbow grilled cheese sandwiches. So for this recipe you'll need bread, cheese, and I'll be using this shredded cheese blend, but you can also try other cheeses like cheddar or mozzarella. We'll also need food coloring and you can choose any colors you'd like, butter, and we'll also be using the stove today, so we'll be using a pan and you'll need your parents' permission and supervision. So let's get started. So first we're going to start by dyeing our cheese. So I'm going to make mine a rainbow of colors, and you can do any colors you would like. So we're going to take some of our cheese, add it into our bowl here, and add in our food coloring. And mix it up. I'll add a little bit more. Alright, there's my red, and now I'm going to dye the rest of my cheese. Alright, so I have all my colors ready. I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet or purple. So now we can start preparing our sandwich. Alright, so now we're going to start working with our butter. So we're going to take a scoop of our butter here and add it to our pan, which is on our stove, or for me, my hot plate. And I used about a tablespoon of butter. And we're going to turn our stove to a low heat and just let it melt this butter. And again, make sure you have your parents' permission and supervision. So while that butter is getting nice and melted, we're going to move over here and add some butter to our bread. So take another scoop of your butter and you're going to spread it across one side of your bread. You want to make sure your butter is softened so it spreads nice and easily. Go. And do that with both pieces. Go. There we go. And now we're going to just wait for this butter to get nice and melted. Once our butter is nice and melted, we're going to keep our stove to a low heat. And now we have to work a little fast. So we're going to take our bread, and the side that has butter on it is going to go down into our pan. And we're going to add our cheese on top. I'll start with some red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Try to fit them all in there. indigo, and our violet or purple. Just squeeze that into the bottom here. There we go. And add our second piece of bread with the butter upwards, like this, and let it cook. After a few minutes, your sandwich should be ready to flip, so I'm going to use a spatula and just carefully pick it up and flip my sandwich. Try to get it centered. And go ahead and let the other side cook. And after a couple more seconds, your sandwich should be done. So we can take it off of our pan here. And let's check out the other side. Nice and crispy. You can hear that sound. And now we can cut open our sandwich and see our rainbow design. All right, here is my sandwich, and I'm going to use a butter knife, and make sure you have your parents' permission and supervision. And I'm going to just cut it a little bit on the inside here so that it pulls apart nice and easily. Okay, and let's check it out. Pretty cool, you can see the rainbow. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thanks for watching. Bye!